Alright, what's up everyone? So today we're making a brand new video. As you see right here, we have German's new Valenti taillights. I guess basically like an upgraded version of mine. We're basically just going to jump into it, switch two cables. I don't know why you have to do it, but that's what the instruction says whenever you buy it, so we're going to do that real quick.
Alright, so what you got to start off with is lifting this little clip right here. It's kind of like a, just holds all the pins inside of there. It's kind of hard to get off, but it comes off. It just lifts up just like a little bit, about that high. And then it has to come off of the thing. All you got to do is just slide it off. It should come off fairly easy. But
so basically we're just taking out the green one, solid green
and green and yellow,
and then swapping them basically, right?
Yeah, all you do is move the green and yellow up here, the solid green down there.
So that's basically what we're gonna do.
Just like lightly grab it. Hold it.
So as you see right now, we basically got the solid green off, and we're gonna take the green and yellow one off next and just swap those.
And just what you do is pretty much just stick a little something pointy in there. There's a little pins that hold it down. You just gotta kind of play with it a little bit. Eventually you push it here on top, pull it from the bottom at the same time. You'll hear a little click and it'll come off.
Alright guys, so while they work on that, I'm basically gonna come show you all the difference, I guess, from mine, and then kind of compared to his, so you guys can see the difference. The turn signals are kind of different from mine. They're both solid red. Honestly, his are really nice as well. I like his. But let's go ahead and hop into it and get one of these put on while they swap out the pins. This is German's BRZ. He's been running these stock lights since he got them. There we go. And it's been like 2 years already. So it was definitely well overdue. Dirty tomato.
That fucking earthquake thing that this nigga has.
What earthquake thing?
I think I got everything right.
Pull it out.
One way to find out. Pull it.
Pull out game week.
God, this shit's fucking rusting.
Are you gonna clean that shit before you put the new one on?
Should I?
Yeah.
So we already put one on. We took the other one off, and this one's on, and we're about to just turn it on to see what it looks like.
Ready?
That's just a daytime.
Yeah, it's just the daytime running.
Put the turn signal, I guess, or the hazard or something.
Wow.
Yeah, that shit looks clean, to be honest. And we're about to step on the brake just so you guys kind of get an idea on what it looks like.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you have a button in the back that can basically make it sequential. Guess I'll just flip it on real quick. And then it just changes it from being solid to sequential. Here, nigga.
Stop! 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 Nigga, stop! Stop! Stop!
Alright guys, so as you can tell, you can see German's new taillights are on. We just came to the car wash, washed up our cars. This is what they look like on. Let me show you what mine's look like right now too. This is what mine look like on as well. Alright guys, so there you have it. We installed the new Valenti REVOs against the Valenti, I guess, V1. So drop down in the comments, let me know what y'all think and which one y'all would basically go with. And like I always say, stay safe and drive safe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yeah, I had it.
Look at your mushroom hands.
I don't even want to show my hands.
Just hold it.
I had it.
No, just hold it.